Okay, what's this here?
Go, you. First time in a car wash.
Oh my. Oh, sorry. Oh. Forgot.
You change just a regular? Number one, yeah.
You see, look at this. This is the car wash now.
First time in a car wash. Nice. Okay, thank you.
Oh my.
You said it's automatic.
Now here we are.
It's exciting.
This is the first entry.
Right, here's the first brush. They shoot the soap over here. See the soap? They
Yeah.
spray the sides of the cars with the soap. Oh, it's automatic. It's a machine that's pulling it. I'm not even driving.
Oh, so you're not driving?
No.
Just put it in neutral?
Yep, that's
That's
a
a brush.
And it goes over the top, it goes on the sides, and then it goes on the back. See the soap behind you? Here's the new brushes on the sides.
New
On your side, look at that
brush.
window.
My side too. Brushing the car. Let's see.
It's like inside of a, now these are long things here, hang down, and they go back and forth.
Oh. They're also cleaning the inside? I mean the...
Underneath, well, if you
Underneath.
pay extra, there's actually some water that will squirt up. Now see, these will spray water, it will rinse, this is the rinse, it rinses everything off.
That is cute.
Yes.
When I watch movie, because I really watch movie too.
Yes.
And then,
Did you see this in the movie?
yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Bean. And Mr. Bean is
We're almost done? Wow.
And then Mr. Bean is cleaning her.
Now these are the air, this is like hair dryers. There's one right there on the sides, and that big one over there. They all shoot air in the truck and blow the water off. To dry off the truck.
Dry up the